Understanding the phrase, rat up. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we are diving deep into a rather unique English phrase, rat up. This might not be as commonly heard as some other idioms, but it's still a fascinating part of the language that's worth exploring. Let's get started. Rat up is a colloquialism, often used in certain regions or among specific communities. Its primary meaning is to pack or store something untidily. Imagine stuffing things in a closet haphazardly without organizing them. That's essentially what ratting up looks like. Example: every time I clean the room, the kids just rat up their toys again. While the exact origins of rat up are not clearly documented, phrases involving rats are often linked to situations or conditions that are chaotic, messy, or undesirable. Rats, being seen as creatures that scuttle around and create disorder, might have contributed to the imagery of something being put away haphazardly or untidily. Context is key. The phrase might not be universally understood in all English-speaking regions. If someone says they ratted up their belongings, they're likely referring to a quick, disorderly storage method, rather than any direct association with the animal. To better understand rat up, let's look at a few more examples. 1. I didn't have time to fold the laundry, so I just ratted it up in the drawer. 2. Please don't rat up the documents. We need them sorted out. 3. He ratted up his suitcase in a hurry to catch the flight. These examples show that rat up often conveys a sense of urgency or carelessness in the action. There you have it, the quirky English phrase, rat up. While it may not be the most common expression, understanding these unique bits of language can enrich your vocabulary and comprehension. We hope this video has shed light on this interesting idiom. Until next time, keep exploring and loving the intricacies of the English language.